Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Apple Intelligence on your MacBook Air M5. So first of all, in order to use Apple Intelligence, you're going to need to update your laptop to Tahoe OS or Mac OS 26, and most probably you already have it in this version, but to double check, just click the arrow icon, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and select About this Mac, and then in the appearance window, check whether you have the Tahoe Mac OS. And if you do, then let's go to the Apple logo once again. Apple is quite shy, it covers the Apple logo. Let's select System Settings here, and then select Apple Intelligence and Siri on the sidebar. Now here we're gonna have to enable Apple Intelligence by switching this toggle to the right. So this is pretty easy. However, you will not be able to do that if your Siri language and your system language are different languages. So to resolve this issue easily, just select language here and select your system language from this list. This will set Siri to the same language as you have in your system, and then you'll be able to immediately enable Apple Intelligence. However, if it's the first time you're enabling it, then you're also gonna need to check whether your device is connected to the internet. So check your Wi-Fi connections, make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, and then enable Apple Intelligence, and your laptop will proceed to install the newest Apple Intelligence version. And now after you have installed it, you may also have to check the Apple Intelligence. Okay, I hope that you finished. The Apple Intelligence features that may also require some additional installation. For example, the Quick Eraser tool that we have available in our library or Photos application, which allows us quickly erase different elements on our laptop. To use it, we have to tap Edit on any photo we have, then select Clean Up right here on the toolbar, and then use our eraser to quickly clean anything from the photo we have on our screen. And the Apple Intelligence will do it for you. So, and you can see it works very smoothly and very fast, especially on this laptop. But to use this feature, you're gonna have to download it separately. So you're gonna have to once go to your Photos application and enter the edit mode and check why the FaceTime is enabled, and check this tool and download the package for it. Besides, we can also use some applications like the Playground, like Image Playground. This one is pre-installed on your Mac, so you just have to find it, and here you can create different AI photos based on many different emojis or your own description of a photo that will create a random AI image based on what you told AI to do, basically. And yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.